Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2016 MDX. The ACURA MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.